In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the charging cable in the MaxiCharger AC Floor Standing. Use the included Type T25 screwdriver to loosen the upper two security screws. Remove the upper front cover. Loosen the lower two security screws. Remove the lower front cover of the pedestal. Use the Type T10 screwdriver to loosen the two screws at the bottom of the main unit. Remove the faceplate and set it aside. Unscrew the 8 screws at the edges of the main unit using the Type T10 screwdriver. Set the screws aside. Flip the maintenance cover upward. Loosen the connector screws on each port. Take out the wires. Unscrew the bracket screws. Loosen the cable gland and pull out the cable. Unscrew the bracket on the side of the pedestal. Pull out the cable. Unscrew the cable clamp on the cable management cord. After you have successfully removed the old cable, take the new cable and insert it into the side hole, then up into the inlet hole. Insert the wires in the corresponding ports. Tighten all the screws, the cable clamp, and place the front covers back on.